From gate 2, you have to go through these first to get your tax exemption, travel tax exception. So you need to provide your IC here and passport and your yung arrival stamp. I will forward it to you sa email. I think every gate yan, meron siyang ganitong klaseng kiosk or counter where you can secure your travel tax exemption. Then after here, you can go and check in. Here, before you enter sa immigration, you have to show your passport here and your e-travel. You have accomplished yung QR code. So you have to accomplish your QR code one day before para prepare ka. So dalawa yung rito may international departure, yung sa kabila is domestic departure. Dito yan sa may part ng C something. Ayan, dito tayo. Coming out from immigration, it's either you go to this gates 101 to 111. Ang SQ ay dito sa gate 114. Ayan, so end na siya. But dito yung maraming shop. So by the way, we are here at Terminal 3. Heading kami sa puntahan natin yung pupunta dito. Maraming mga shop. May Shake Shack din pala sila rin. Maraming makakainan na unlike before. So may, sorry, yeah, so may open rollers. Ayan, mayroong mga fries and noodles at pasalubong. Ayan, meron din dito yung, yeah, go ahead, cafe, eatery. So ito yung last flight namin, ito yung Kenny Rogers. Dito sa back ko, mga bagong shop din lang yun. Yeah. So if you want to see yung other shop after this Kenny Rogers, you can watch yung other things here. Ito malupit. You can have your sound here. 30 minutes, 700. 45, 830. Nice. Ito yung location. T3 pa rin tayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give your attention to the safety video, which will now be shown.
na kami. We just arrived, ano? Just landed at walking towards sa arrival. Ayan, dito raw sa right side yung arrival. Ayan. So, yan. May Batcha Coffee. 1910. Transfer. Ay, malaki na talaga. Ayun, yung SG60. Oh. Ayun yung SG60. Alright. You want to take? Dito mami, oh, sa SG60. Okay. Dito ang arrival. Yan. Ito, heading na tayo sa Emigration. Dito, meron din sila ano dito. Ayan. Maraming maano dito sa Terminal 3, ah.
Nakita mo yung art?
Ayan. Ayun pala, may maliit doon na pair. Nagtatago. Ayan. Okay. Picture tayo sa ano?